Hello and welcome to our video tutorial. Today I will guide you through the basic setup with Sonotec's non-contact clamp-on flow meter and the associated software. The setup consists of a laptop with installed C3 software for easy flow monitoring, a peristaltic pump, a silicone tubing, a simple water reservoir, a USB M12 sensor cable, and the key element of our setup, the Sonoflow CO55 flow meter with stainless steel housing and integrated display. The sensor captivates by its small and handy size, even though all electronics are already built in. That means the housing comprises both transducer and analysis unit. The integrated display shows real-time instantaneous flow, the M12 connector allows for easy plug-and-play functionality, and the robust hinged lid for a comfortable tube insertion. Setting up the test equipment is very simple. First, we press the tube into the sensor channel. Then we insert the tubing into the pump head. Afterwards, we put the two tubing ends into the water reservoir. Now we only have to connect the sensor with the laptop. As long as the tube is still filled with air, the sensor shows an error code. After connecting all parts, we can start running the C3 software, which automatically detects the flow meter. Now we can start the pump. As you can see, the sensor immediately starts to display the real-time flow value, as soon as the liquid runs through the sensor channel. After starting the flow measurement, the software displays the real-time flow in volume unit per time unit, volume aggregation and timestamp. The table lists the measured values, which can be easily downloaded. We see how easy it is to prepare a basic smart sensoring setup with non-contact clamp-on flow meter Sonoflow CO55 and the C3 software. Thank you for watching and start your measurement.